Hi, my name is Hazrul and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about function. Okay, and if in case you missed the previous video, you can always check them down below in the description. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into it. Function. Okay, function can be more efficient way of performing mathematical operation than formulas, because formulas are just the basic and function is more advanced than formula. Okay, in order a function to work, it must be written in syntax, which started with equal sign followed by function name and argument. Okay, as example, equal sign, as we all know this. Okay, followed by function name, as example, sum, sum, that's the function name, and the argument, you need to use the bracket. If you don't use it, it won't function. Okay, it will be error instead. As example, A2 range A4. Okay, you can add more argument in the function by adding comma at the end of each argument. Okay, as example, equal sum bracket A2 range A4 and comma B2 range B4 and close. These are the basic function that you can learn to just sum, sum, average, 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 count, max, and min. You must be wondering what are the use for these functions. I will go through one by one. Firstly, we got sum. Sum is the function that adds all the arguments value. And then we got average, which is a function that adds all the cell value in the argument and divided by number of cell of the argument. Here we got an example. We move on to count. Count is a function that count number of cells in the argument. Then we got max, which is a function that finds the highest cell value in the argument. And lastly, we got min. Min is a function that finds the lowest cell value in the argument. And this is the example. And that's it for this video function, and I'll see you around in the next video where we're gonna talk about VLOOKUP function. Okay, so see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.